Good morning to everyone. I am Subha Ranjani, Assistant Professor of PG and Research Department of Commerce in GVN College, Kovilpatti. Now we are going to see about the topic from Income Tax Law and Practice for the second year BCom students. Okay, first one is what is meant by income? Income means sum of all the earnings like rent, wages, salary, interest and income from other sources. Income from other sources means the income are collected from winning from lottery, horse games, then card games, then puzzles, bettings. These are all called as the meaning of income. Okay. Second one is income tax. Income tax means the government charging the tax on people's income. Under this Income Tax Act 1961, every person who is responsible to pay the tax, who have received the salary beyond the limit of 2.5 lakh salary, he should pay the tax to the government. Okay. So under this Income Tax Act 1961, any person who have received earnings more than 2.5 lakh salary, he should pay the tax to the government. Then third category is assessee. Okay, what is meant by assessee? The person who is responsible to pay the tax to the government, he is called the assessee. Okay, the person who is responsible to pay the tax, he is called the assessee. Then fourth one is what is meant by assessment year. Okay, assessment year means current year. Current year means 2023-24. Okay, the person assessment year means the period starting from April 1st to March 31st is the assessment year. So every income tax is calculated in the period that is April 1st to March 31st. Okay. The calendar year means January 1 to December 31st is the calendar year, but income tax is always calculated under the period is April 1st to March 31st, that is the financial year. Okay, assessment year is 2023-24. Then what is meant by previous year? Previous year means just preceding the assessment year. Just preceding means before the assessment is called as the previous year. So before the assessment year is the 2022-23 is the previous year. Then what are the heads of income? There are 5 heads of income are there under the Income Tax Act 1961. First one is income from salary. Second one is income from house property. Income from profits and gains of business and profession. Then income from capital gains. Then income from other sources. These are the 5 heads of income or under the category of Income Tax Act 1961. Okay. As per the Income Tax Act 1961, every person should pay the tax. The person's earnings are classified according to the 5 heads of income. Okay, so these are the 5 heads of income. So it is calculated for accurating the tax calculation. Okay, so these are the 6 heads are calculated under this video. So first one is what is meant by income. Then what is meant by income tax? So income tax act is 1961. Then who are the assessee? Then what is the assessment year? Assessment year means 2023-24. Then what is meant by a previous year? Then what are the heads of income are there under the Act 1961? Okay, so these are discussed in this video. So in the following sessions, we have to discuss the detailed explanation about Income Tax Act 1961. Thank you for watching this video.